Hey guys, it's Tony here. Now I know what you're probably thinking. This is a pretty unfair review of two very different drones. But this isn't a video about going into all the spec comparisons, as there are plenty of videos out there about that. Instead, I wanted to talk about what I have found to be key practical on-the-road features that I would have liked to have known about when deciding which drone to choose for traveling in order to make a more informed decision. Okay, so first point is size and weight. Now, as you can see here, both of these drones actually weigh the exact same at 249 grams each, unless if you have the Plus batteries, which I have in the Mini 4 Pro, which takes it to 290 grams, with the controllers themselves being 387 grams versus 420 grams respectively. The size is where you'll see the biggest difference, as the Mini 2 is remarkably smaller due to not having as many sensors as the Mini 4 Pro. In saying that, they still both fold down relatively small and are able to fit snug in the similar carry bags. The batteries are where you will see the bigger difference, as the Mini 4 Pro batteries are indeed a lot chunkier, especially when put into their charging ports, compared to the Mini 2 batteries and charging ports. Alright, next up is setup time. I've done a quick demonstration comparison of how long it roughly takes to set up each drone, just so you can see the difference. As you can see, the setup for the Mini 2 was the biggest gripe with me when traveling, as you're trying to fumble and connect your phone every time, which became incredibly frustrating and time consuming when you wanted to just take a quick shot. Plus, the Mini 2 is not compatible with the newer RC and RC2 controllers, so there is no workaround there either. Compared to the Mini 4 Pro with the RC2, the setup is a lot more seamless and the connectivity is super fast. Fly time. This is the biggest factor when deciding what drone to get. As with the Mini 4 Pro Plus in particular, you are able to get those extra 15 minutes, which makes all the difference when you are trying to get those shots further out without worrying about losing your drone in the process. But also, if you are shooting in portrait mode for photos or short form videos, the ability to be able to turn your camera to portrait mode on the Mini 4 Pro removes the need to fly further out to frame your shot in the tiny third of the landscape format on the Mini 2 drones, thus saving your battery and giving you more fly time to shoot your content. The one thing the Mini 4 Pro boasts more than any of the other Mini drones is its omnidirectional sensor capabilities, which means that you can fly knowing that the likelihood of you crashing your drone has significantly reduced, allowing you to fly with more confidence, but also just focus on getting the shots that you need to get without worrying as much about obstacles. The RC2 controller also provides you with that comfort even if your drone flies behind a rock, because due to the antennas, you will still have a signal and connection compared to the old RC controller, as sometimes you won't have a high enough vantage point to fly your drone in order to maintain that connection. So this was a big game changer for me, as nothing makes your heart sink more than the connection cutting off. Alright, so price point and value for money. Now, if you were just starting off and you are tight on money, then the Mini 2 drone off marketplace you can find for around 500 AUD at the time of this video, which is your best bet, and its value for money is fantastic. But if you want to be capturing more frequently or wanting to produce more quality content, then it's an obvious no-brainer to really invest in the Mini 4 Pro, which is not going to hinder your creative endeavors. However, at the time of this video, the Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo with Plus batteries will cost around 1900 AUD. So it is a lot more expensive, but it's something that you have to consider if you want to invest in that. So I hope these few points that I've learned throughout my journey has helped you decide what you will do when deciding what drone to buy next. At the end of the day, I started off with the Mini 2, but I knew that in order to be really creatively liberated and really enjoy flying more with less anxiety, then I needed to definitely upgrade to the Mini 4 Pro. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe below. Also check out my socials below as well in the links, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.